Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change lock screen background image in Windows 10 PC. For this, first click on this one start button, then click settings. In the settings window, click this one option personalization. On the left sidebar, click on this one lock screen. On the right, under lock screen, you can see the preview of the current lock screen. To change this one, click on this one drop down menu, background, and here you can select Windows Spotlight. This will automatically pull beautiful images from Bing search engine and set a lock screen automatically on your Windows 10 PC. You can also choose here picture option. You need to select a particular picture. You can also upload a picture for your choice. The next one option is slideshow. You can apply a slideshow of several pictures to set it as a lock screen. And in case you have selected this one any option such as Windows Spotlight and you want to appear same image as sign in a screen on your Windows 10 PC, you can turn on this one toggle switch that says show lock screen background picture on the sign in a screen. That's all about this video.